Hi, my name is Matthew Casserly, and I work here at the Yandex International Sales Department. Today we're going to talk about the Yandex Video Network, the sites it includes, and which formats and targeting types are available. At the end of the lecture, we'll share some tricks on how to make your own video ads. We can all see that video is taking over the internet. Users spend more and more of their time online watching video clips, movies, and TV shows. About 40 million people in Russia watch video content on their smartphone or computer at least once a month. This is roughly 87% of the Russian online audience. Video advertising is one of the fastest growing segments of the digital market, surpassing even contextual advertising's growth rates. To compare, year-on-year growth for video advertising was 38%, but for search it was just 18%. So what is the Yandex Advertising Network? Video ads are typically considered to be effective at the top levels of the sales funnel. Advertisers use video ads to promote new products and services when generating brand awareness is key. Our experience has convinced us, however, that video advertising can be an effective tool at the lower levels of the sales funnel as well, when generating interest on search and influencing conversions. The Yandex Video Network consists of more than 300 high-quality sites in the Yandex Advertising Network, reaching more than 37 million people each month. The Yandex Video Network is equipped with a strong anti-fraud protection that defends advertisers from artificial impressions. Yandex's own crypto technology makes it possible to find your target audience using characteristics like how much time users spend watching TV, search and behavioral-based retargeting, age, gender, income, user interests, etc. The Yandex Video Network includes services like Kinopoisk, Yandex Video, and Afisha. It also covers sites of popular Russian TV channels, major online cinemas, and many other video platforms. Examples of the Yandex Video sites in the network where our clients' ads appear include the Yandex Video hosting site, Kinopoisk, the largest Russian film database, often compared to IMDb. It also includes special projects on the most visited site in the Russian-speaking internet, the Yandex homepage, where we show live broadcasts of popular sporting events. As for the makeup of the Yandex Video Network's audience, it is more or less evenly split between men and women. In terms of age distribution, there is a clear core of users in the range of 25 to 54. This portion of the audience has the most purchasing power and are active online shoppers. The incomes of most users of the Yandex Video Network are average or above average, which again points to the purchasing power of its audience. It is interesting to note that half of all Russian video content users visit sites in the Yandex Video Network. In absolute numbers, the Yandex Video Network reaches almost 20 million users. So what sets the Yandex Video Network and its audience apart from other video networks? Data from the Mediascope Analytics Agency show that roughly 23% of users of the Yandex Video Network are a unique audience that does not use YouTube or other major video platforms. This means that advertisers will not reach these 23% of users by advertising on other platforms. Another one of the Yandex Video Network's strengths is its anti-fraud technology, which makes it possible for Yandex to count only impressions from real users. The Yandex anti-fraud system uses machine learning-based online checks as well as offline user behavior analysis to offer real-time protection from bots. Now let's talk about formats, targeting types, and purchase models. Multi-role involves video clips that appear either before or after video content. They can also interrupt content on the Yandex Video Network. In-page video is built right into pages with text on sites in the Yandex Video Network if more than 50% of the area of the clip is visible on the page. Interstitial involves full-screen video ads that play within a mobile app, either before content loads or when the content within an open mobile app is changing. The Yandex Video Network offers various purchase models for video ads: pay-per-click in Yandex.Direct, CPM auction model in Yandex Display, fixed CPM, and payment for full views. The various targeting types allow you to define your audience by virtually any characteristics that are important for your ad campaign: geography, income, age and gender, You can target users who interacted in a specific way with your site. For example, they added products to their cart but didn't place an order. Yandex's crypto technology makes it possible to determine user interests and make sure that your ads are seen by those users in your audience that are most likely to be interested. Here you can see examples of the user categories that are available. We can say with high accuracy which users are physically active or who is planning to build a summer house. There are other categories that bring together users with similar interests in search. These categories can be as specific as users who search for facial care products or who buy children's products in the internet. If you only serve ads on TV, then it is highly likely that you are missing out on a significant part of your target audience. Our research has shown that a third of the Yandex Video Network's users do not watch television. We offer an additional targeting type to reach these users, light TV viewers, and cover your entire target audience. Another targeting type available is retargeting for users who have already seen your ads, meaning that you can gather these users into groups and encourage them to continue through the sales funnel. You can use a pixel in the Yandex audience to target users by whether they were shown your clip or by how much of your clip they watched, 25, 50, 75%, or until the very end. Now let's look at the performance metrics for video. To assess the effectiveness of your video campaigns correctly, it's best to look at the cost per view, CPV. Here you can see several metrics that you can use to assess your video campaigns. Advertisers pay, on average, 1 US cent per view. The VTR for a 15-second clip is 70%, and the average CTR is 3%. Once you launch your campaign, it is important to begin analyzing its performance. To do so, Yandex offers different analytic reports. More specifically, we carry out a brand lift analysis and suggest ways to improve the clip. We measure the conversions. We examine user behavior on the page and offer recommendations on how to optimize your landing pages. We assess the influence on search queries. I'd like to say a bit more about our brand lift surveys. They make it possible to understand how brand awareness changes and how well users recall your video ad and its main message. We carry out 2 surveys among users in your target audience, before and after your campaign. This helps us compare the results of those users who have not seen your video ad, the control group, and those who did see it, the experimental group. The resulting data allow us to assess the effect of your campaign and also show which adjustments need to be made. Let's take a look at some real numbers. We ran brand lift surveys for Philips for their video clip. After launching their One Blade video campaign, brand awareness rose by 14%, brand memorability by 71%, and memorability of the ad's message by 55%. Any evaluation of the effects of online video is incomplete if we don't measure post-view and post-click conversions. They allow you to determine the contribution that video advertising made to your conversion rate. Once a user sees your video ad, it is unlikely that they will convert immediately, but this doesn't mean that they will not return to place an order later. Some purchases take more time to deliberate. When prices are higher, they generally take more time. Since last-click attribution in this case does not show the big picture, it's all the more important to assess the influence video advertising has on conversion rates after the user sees the video clip or clicks on it. According to our own observations, the share of delayed conversions can be 30 to 50%, and in some cases even 70%. This case gives us an example for how conversions for adding items to the cart and placing an order can be higher in the group that saw the video clip in comparison to the control group. Another type of analytics that we prepare for our clients is an assessment of video advertising's effect on search behavior. To do so, we take 2 groups: users who saw your video ad and searched for branded queries, and users who didn't see your video ad, and compare their search interests. If we look at the example from the real estate case, we can see that the interest in the brand of users who saw the video ad was twice as high as the control group. Now let's take a look at how to create the video that will maximize the return from your video ads. Longer does not necessarily mean better. The shorter the clip, the more likely the user is to remember it. Our research has shown that 8 to 10 seconds is the ideal length. Grabbing the user's attention in time is not an easy task. Users' attention is generally concentrated in the first 5 seconds of the video clip, so it is vital to mention your brand at the very beginning of the clip. The video clip should contain a clear reference to the brand, so that the user has a clear idea of what products or services are being advertised. Prompt the user to take further action. Visit your site, send a request for more information, subscribe, or start playing your game with a call to action button. You can find buttons in the library or upload your own. We live in the era of muted sound, so it is vital that your audio message be accompanied by scrolling text or by some other form of visualization. So to begin summing things up, in today's video, we talked about the benefits of advertising in the Yandex Video Network, which include legal content, exclusive sites, no markup for targeting or clip length, anti-fraud protection and site monitoring, post-campaign analysis, and solutions for your performance goals, as well as a wide range of targeting types, retargeting for users who have seen your clip, interactive buttons, cross-platform placements on desktops, mobile devices, and smart TVs, and a low entry threshold. Online video offers practically unlimited possibilities to find creative ways to reach your business goals, especially when you combine it with other formats. Grab the attention of your potential clients by serving ads in the Yandex Video Network. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, good luck with your campaigns.